Hi, I'm Tara and welcome to How to Pix. Today we're going to look at the background removal in Canva. So when you open Canva, this is the interface that you see. So we're going to pick Instagram post square, but you select whichever size suits your project best. So once you have your space open, we're going to click on upload. So you can either upload a file from your computer, or you can use a template image that's already within Canva. So I am going to use an upload. So once you click on it, you can center it or you can size it whatever way, wherever you want on your page. And then we're going to click on edit photo. So when you click on edit photo, I'll just show you what happens. So this Magic Studio appears. So if there's a little crown beside anything in Canva, that means that it's part of the Pro version and not part of the free version. So the background removal is part of the Pro version. So if you don't have the Pro version, I'll just show you what happens. So this appears on your screen. You'll be advised that you need to either go and buy the Pro version or get a 30-day trial. But it's not available in the free version. So I'm just going to switch out of here and click out of here and switch to my Pro account. So once you're in your Pro account or if you've signed up for your 30-day trial, you do exactly the same thing. Click on uploads, and we're going to use this different image this time. So we're just going to scale it up a little so it make it a bit clearer. So once you have your image selected, you click on edit photo, and this time same thing appears, Magic Studio appears, but when you click on background remover this time, instantly it removes the background. This is phenomenal, let me tell you. From people that were using Photoshop or similar before, you would have had to go back out into Photoshop, painstakingly remove all the little edge. And for this image, it's probably not so bad because I'm wearing a black top. But if there was like even on my skin, like you can see, and all the little bits of hair, to me, it's just fantastic. So once the background has been removed, you then have the option to configure it a bit further. So once your image is still selected, click on background remover and it'll bring you to this second screen where you can either erase or restore. So depending on the background and the subject color, or the contrast. So for me, this has worked really well because I'm wearing a black top, but sometimes it's a bit hard for it to distinguish between the two. And we sometimes get, it's called a halo effect. So where it has still left some of the background behind. So we can easily either remove or restore some information on your picture. So when you click on erase, you can also select what brush size you want, either for finer detail, or if you just want to remove a bigger portion. It depends also on the size of your artboard. So if we click on erase, it will obviously erase more. I'll just undo that, and I'll just show you the restore button then. So sometimes I find fingers and toes, it doesn't distinguish them too well. I suppose they're too detailed, too little, and sometimes also ears. So you might find that some of your ear is missing. I know that's a bit extreme, but you get what I mean. So after we've removed the background, it's sometimes great for your image to really stand out. If you put it on a bright color, it makes it much more effective. So I'm just going to add a bright color to the background of this, just so we can have a look at what we're doing. So we'll just select a color, and then we're just going to position it, and we're going to send it to the back. So currently, yeah, it's kind of poppy, but you can make that much more so by putting a glow around the subject. So you select the subject, click on edit photo, go down to shadows, and select glow. And when you select glow, so the color, you can have whatever color you want. So white is really effective on a bright background. But if you make the intensity 100 and the size of the outline much thicker, well then, suddenly it becomes much more vivid, much more lively. I think it's a really effective way of drawing attention to one part of your image or your canvas. There are other effects available in the Magic Studio. I've covered them in greater detail in these other tutorials. If you're looking for some super templates or keywords for Canva, check out my Patreon link below, and please like and subscribe to my channel.